Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Amoda tea. Now this is another Canadian tea subscription, which I am super happy about, being a Canadian myself. Now I am just going to tell you a quick blurb about the box before we get into it. And if I am looking down here off to the side, I do have some notes on the go just so I don't give you any wrong information. But one of the cool things about this tea subscription is you actually get two different varieties. You can choose between the original box or the low caffeine box. Now I believe whichever one that you get loose leaf tea, and I think you get 4 bags. So it's pretty much enough tea to last you the whole month, which is pretty great. So the original tea box says it's great for tea lovers who want to explore a variety of flavors and caffeine levels. Also perfect for tea newbies to help you discover your favorites. You'll receive a mixture of black, pure, oolong, green, white, rooibos, and herbal teas. So you get a little bit of everything in the original box. Now, if you decide to go with the low caffeine box, which I did decide to do, it says it's great for tea lovers who enjoy a variety of flavors but want only low caffeine and caffeine-free teas. It's loved by tea newbies with caffeine sensitivity, which I do have. You'll receive a mixture of green, white, rooibos, and herbal teas, 2 low caffeines, and 2 no caff teas. So that's really great. Now, one thing I did really like about the Tea Sparrow, and if that review's up before this one because these two boxes came pretty close to each other, I'll make sure to link that one either down in the description or at the end of this video. But the thing I liked about Tea Sparrow was you could choose a all herbal tea box. So if you are really sensitive to caffeine like me and I can't really drink it, after the afternoon, then that one is a really great choice. And the price-wise, they're both very close. This one was, I think, about $20 or $22 a month Canadian. Now, I will have all the prices and everything down below for you guys in the description, but it also comes with free shipping, and I'm not sure if there's shipping for Americans, but I'll try to find that out for you guys as well. So let's just jump right into this month's box and see what we got. Now, one thing I do like about this packaging already is it says my name on it, so it's Naomi. And I like that you can reseal it afterwards. It's got my address on there, but you can reseal it and then you could keep all of your teas in this pouch, which is really great and convenient. But it comes with our 4 teas here. You're seeing the back of them, but I see the front of them. And the front is actually really cool because you can see right through the bag. So I love that. There's also some other things in here. Okay, it comes with some little tea pouches here, so you can put your tea into these. And I don't think these are reusable, but I will see if there's any information because there's some other cards and stuff in here. There's actually quite a bit of stuff that comes in here. Okay, so it does give us some information about all the teas with a 20% off coupon code as well. So if you want to use that on their site, it's springtime, which is really great. And then we've also got a couple of poster cards here. That's really pretty. And then we've got another one. I love this one with the teacup and the kettle in the background. That is super pretty as well. Oh, and this one has your steeping information on the back of it. Super useful to have. So I wonder if this comes in each of their boxes or if this one just comes in the first box and then you keep it and you have all the information. So if I get this box again, we'll find out next month. But it's got information for your black, your oolong, your green, white, herbal, and rooibos. And then it's also got a little welcome thing on the back of this one. And it just says, "Welcome to the Amoda community. I started Amoda monthly tea box in 2012. So this has been running for a while. To help tea drinkers discover the amazing blends being created by small makers across North America and to share hidden gems, unique fun flavors, and inspiring maker stories." That is so cool that they're, trying to promote small businesses, essentially. That is what we strive to do today. You'll never find any mass-produced or boring teas in our monthly box. Instead, you'll find 4 teas handmade by niche tea brands, each with tasting notes, steeping instructions, and a roll of biodegradable tea filters for easy steeping. Okay, so I guess maybe you do get these in each bag that comes with it so that you have the option. If you don't have one of those little steepers where you put the loose leaf tea in, you can use these instead. And I'll open those up and see what they look like as well, because I've actually never used the tea bags. I always just use the little scoopy thing and then put it in a little container and then pop that into my cup. So it'll be interesting to try it with those. And then it also says a couple of things to note. If you find a tea that you love, you can buy more on the 15th of the month. There's limited quantities and we do not restock after they sell out. Subscribers always receive 20% off at amodatea.com. So if you like the teas that you got in your box, you can go ahead and purchase more, which is perfect because you can't always do that with some subscription boxes. It's sort of like a one-time thing and then it's done. So I want to see what these little tea filter things look like. And these look like they would be biodegradable. I feel like they said somewhere on it that it was biodegradable. Yes, a roll of biodegradable tea filters for easy steeping. Okay, so it looks like there's like a little pocket here that you must just slip your tea into. Let's see if I can get this open without ripping it. So then you just slip your tea right into there. And then I wonder if this just folds down, or maybe you can just fold the whole thing down and like plop it in like that. I kind of wish that it had like a little string on it or something, because I feel like this would get kind of lost or something at the bottom of my teapot or my cup of tea, depending how many you're putting in. I suppose it would probably be better to put it in your cup of tea directly. But if you guys have ever used these like bags specifically, because I have seen ones that have the little string attached so you can just like dunk it out after, or dunk it in, then take it out after when you're done. So let me know how you guys use these ones. Okay, so the first tea that I see here is a herbal caffeine-free blend. The name of it is Coastal Boutique, and the ingredients include orange peel, rose hip, chamomile, lemongrass, lemon myrtle, Pacific Northwest peppermint, jasmine, Pacific Northwest lavender, and pure extracts. This one sounds really good. So for the Coastal Boutique one, it says bright citrus notes accompanied by uplifting floral tones. This fragrant herbal blend is perfect for a calm evening. The mixture of chamomile, jasmine, and lavender is pure bliss, and that does sound really good. And I really like that you can see the tea through the pouch, because with the Sparrow tea, I had to cut each pouch open and try to show you guys what it looked like. So the next tea that I have here is a low caffeine, and it's a green tea. It says the name is Grand Teton, and the ingredients include sencha green tea, hibiscus, sage, lemongrass, huckleberries, wild blueberries, raspberry bits, and natural berry flavoring. It says this tartan berry green tea was inspired by wild berries that grow with the Grand Teton National Park. Zesty lemongrass represents the different types of grass found in the park. Earthy sage represents the Sage Valley. So that's kind of cool that it's taking things from that area and kind of putting it in towards the tea. Then we've got another low caffeine green tea, and this is seagrass green. The ingredients are green tea, lemon peel, linden flower, and leaf pure extracts. Seagrass green says the Chinese green tea used in this blend is known for its eyebrow-shaped leaves. That's interesting. The vegetal briskness and light minerality with hints of lemon and herbal finish. An approachable green tea to steep, sip, and relax. That one sounds interesting with the eyebrow-shaped leaves. Let me see. They must uncurl or something, like when you take them out and put them in the tea, because they definitely don't look eyebrow shaped right now. And then last but not least, we have a rooibos tea, which is caffeine free. This is orange creamsicle mousse. Oh my gosh, it sounds amazing. So this one includes rooibos, orange peel, oranges, lemongrass, vanilla, coconut, toasted coconut, and there is a little warning that it contains coconuts for allergies, but this one looks good as well. Let me get it to the top so you can see there. The orange creamsicle mousse says tangy orange, rich vanilla, and creamy coconut comes together to replicate this dreamy dessert. Without the overwhelming sweetness, you'll want to drink this vibrant infusion all day long. Good thing it's naturally caffeine free. So these teas all sound really good, and I can't wait to get into them all. So let me know down in the comments below, what did you guys think of this month's box? If you already saw the Tea Sparrow one, you know, what do you think compared to this one? I feel like the Tea Sparrow one, the bags might be slightly bigger, but I feel like you still get the same amount of tea in each bag. I figured I would keep just one of these boxes and I'm really not sure which one I'm going to keep. So whether I try both of them again next month just to see what I get, or if I just keep one of them, let me know which one I should keep. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.